touch that fine for you. I do that 3, 4 times again, I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, as long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, skimming, looting.
Before I get into this video, don't forget to like the video, comment down below other videos you'd like to see, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so that you never miss when I upload it again. And let me show you guys what I got. Well, I got 2 of these, the expressions hair. Is this expressions? Yeah, the expressions hair. The number is 4. I got 2 of these. These are 24 inches. Another one that's 30. This isn't really my hair color, but I wanted to have like a little extra color, so I got this one. So yeah, that's what I got. I'm tired, but y'all didn't ask for that. Y'all didn't ask for that, so yeah. You guys, what I have retwisted so far, and then we're gonna officially get started.
You on the violin on your day 1. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah.
So I'm back. The hair is retwisted. Don't mind the edges, I gotta do them. But I think I'm gonna just stop with my hair for today because I'm gonna stress myself out and rush trying to get everything done before 4. It's already like 1:30, so I'm gonna come back to y'all tomorrow when I'm about to actually start my hair. Okay, if you say anything about my lashes in the comments, you're anti-look. But it is the next day officially. I just got off work and I just woke up from a nap, so we're gonna finally start the hair. So I don't know why I have to announce that to y'all. Let's just get into it. Okay, so first of all, let's get into the locks. I said these locks look like, y'all, hold on, let me turn this light on too. They got so long. Y'all know me. Y'all seen the beginning of the stages and stuff. Y'all know my locks got long. Like, look at it. Look. Like, they look so good. They look crazy sticking up like that. But I'm not gonna do too much more talking the rest of this video. I'm trying to show you guys how I do a few of my invisible locks or twists, whatever you want to call them. And then I'm gonna give y'all a little close up, and then I'm just gonna speed the rest of it up, and y'all can just watch me do my hair while y'all vibe to some music and stuff. So yeah, I do want them really long, like at least, I'm a tall girl, so at least like somewhere near my butt or past my butt, preferably past it. So that's the plan. We're gonna see how it go. If it don't go that far, then oh well. Starting off, I am going to use the lighter color for the back to do like a little peekaboo. So what I'm gonna do is take this and I'm gonna split it, and I'm gonna take whichever section is a little bit smaller, and I'm gonna start with that first. Since these are already retwisted, I'm just gonna take the rubber band out and I'm going to untwist it some. I'm gonna make sure it's like here-ish, and then I'm gonna add my thinner piece first. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna twist it along the locks to make sure it's covered. I'm gonna do that to both sides, and then I'm just going to twist the rest of it down.
Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of.
Once it gets close to where my lock is ending, like I see it's like right there, I'm gonna just take the other piece, stretch it out. And then I'm just going to do the same thing I did to the first part. Actually, I'm gonna split this in half again because this looks a little thick. I'm gonna split it again, and then I'm gonna add it.
You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work it.
And I was gonna take my last piece and add that in too. Okay, so the first one is done. It's long, y'all. I can't tell, but it's like past my butt. But usually for the ends, I would like fold it like this and wrap it like how they do it. But I think I want to curl it, so I'm just gonna tie a knot, and then at the end I'm gonna add like mousse and curlers to them. So stay tuned, see how that come out. If it don't come out right, we're probably gonna wrap it. So stay tuned to find out. I had to put my glasses on because I can't see, but we're gonna take the next one. I'm gonna show you guys a closer view of how I do it. This is the next piece. I'm gonna take a piece of it again, about this size. I'm gonna stretch it some. I'm going to grab my next lock, take the rubber band out, untwist it some. So it'll be like here-ish. And then I'm going to just take this hair, I'm going to put it behind like this. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm going to twist it around the lock and twist it around this side. And I'm going to twist all that together. I'm going to keep twisting, wrapping as I twist. Once it gets close to like right here to where my lock is going to end, I'm going to separate what I have left in half, stretch it again, and I want to grab my twist. I'm going to put it on the back again like this, and then we're going to twist over the lock, and then do this side, twist over the lock, and then just continue twisting the rest of the hair. Once again, making sure to twist the hair over the locks so when you get to the end, it covers them. Okay, so let me take these off. I want to do one more with y'all, and then I'm just gonna speed the rest of it up until I'm halfway done. Then I'm gonna come back and show y'all a little update. So yeah, once again, twist it to about here.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you.
How the first three look. That's how the first three look. Once again, they're really long. I don't know if I can see. I probably can't, but it's really long. But I hope this little mini tutorial, I guess, was detailed enough. I hope it helped you. If not, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments if you have any other questions on, you know, how to do it. I'm not a professional. I just taught myself, so why not teach other people? But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do the rest and speed it up, and I'm gonna let y'all vibe to this music. So I'll see you guys at the end I'll see you guys when I'm halfway done and check it in with y'all. So
we can get away. Palm cheeks, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is the visions that we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We don't want you over. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, kiss you. I just wanna feel you, feel you. I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's
So I finally did the first half. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me move the camera down so you can see how long it is. This is how it looks. I'm gonna show you closer. So this is how it looks. I don't know if you can see how long it is. The ends do look a little crazy right now, but I'm going to curl them once I finish everything. So I gotta wait for the end to see that. But this is how long it is. For reference, y'all, I am 5'11", tall girly, I know, but they stop like mid butt, I would say. So I'm gonna just speed up the rest of this, and I'm gonna come back to y'all once everything is done.
everything for me, yeah, all for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not Tell me what I want.
It's some me time.
You know what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal.